Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I want to answer a question that I get from my clients fairly regularly, and that is about their judge. And I kind of hesitated to do this video because I don't want people to feel like the odds are stacked against them because the judge they have doesn't approve a lot of cases. I mean, I've won cases before every judge I've ever appeared in front of. Not every case, obviously, but every judge has given me a favorable decision at one time or the other, and a good case is going to get approved. I don't know of any judges off the top of my head that are just absolutely unfair that will not approve a legitimate case. But it is helpful to know if your judge has a tendency to approve more cases or fewer cases. I certainly look at that information because it helps me prepare the case better, and I think you should be aware of it as well so that we can identify any particular hot buttons that the judge likes or does not like and really prepare our testimony to meet the requirements of that particular judge. And by the way, up until there was a period of about two years or so where Social Security was not giving us the names of the judges, made it very difficult. We'd go to the hearing office, wouldn't find out until then, made it very difficult to really prepare. Fortunately, Social Security has seen the light and they've changed that policy, so now when you get a hearing notice, we'll know who the judge is. So the place I go is a website called disabilityjudges.com, just the way it's spelled, disabilityjudges.com. And what that will do is it'll give you a link to every judge in the nation. And if I'm in Georgia, so if we're in Georgia, then the judge that's in a particular hearing office, we will see his or her approval rate, denial rate, dismissal rate, and so forth. And it's very helpful to me to know because one of the things about Social Security is it can be a little arbitrary. You know, Judge A may approve 70%, Judge B may approve 25%, and if we have Judge 25%, then we've got to prepare our case a little bit differently. So it's important to know that. And again, I think I like to be very transparent with my clients and let them know this is what we're up against, and we need to make sure that we address all these issues. So, for example, if we have Judge 25% and there's some indication that there's been substance abuse, alcohol, drugs, whatever, then we may want to approach that very differently than a judge who approves a much higher percentage. Also, I know some judges like an opening statement to be very comprehensive. Other judges don't ask for it at all. So all these things I use to better prepare you so that we are custom preparing a case for the particular judge so that we have our best chances of putting your best foot forward and getting our best chances at winning if your case is so deserving. So that's where I go, disabilityjudges.com. And again, I find it a useful site, but I would tell you not to be too worried if you see the numbers that are a little below average. Most judges are going to hover around 40, 42%, something like that. So if you're at 35, judges at 35, 37%, not to worry. If it goes lower than that, then again, that would maybe mean that I would do some things differently. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Again, my name is Jonathan Ginsberg, and if you have any questions, I want you to feel free to let me know, and I'm happy to try to answer those in the next video. Thanks a lot.